welcome to the Loving Social Media website. And I get asked two questions. How much does it cost and how long does it take? Well, social media is a tricky one to answer that because your ideal client might be watching exactly the kind of content that you put out. So let's just say you're selling prams. That would be not very useful for people that didn't have children. So you might just put lots of content out, but it not reach the right audience. The best thing about Facebook, in my opinion, is that you can target those ads to the particular people. So how long does it take? If you target people well, immediately. Unlike search engine optimization, which can take a little while. But the thing I love about search engine optimization is that people look for you. So if you are selling prams, cots, and you're a mum or dad, you're going to do your research, find the one that is probably on the first page and has the best reviews, then you're going to buy. Now, Loving Social Media, we do a nice eclectic mix of both social media, whether that be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and search engine optimization. We've got 3 packages. The first package is called Ripple, and Ripple is great for startup businesses and those earning less than the tax threshold. It's our starter package. Then we've got Splash. Splash gives you all the optimization you need, plus all the social media and blogs on top. And then our ultimate package is called Tidal, and Tidal, you have a whole marketing department looking after you. That's inbound and outbound marketing, email marketing, blogging, the works. So welcome to the website again. I hope to speak to you soon, and we're really friendly. So just give us a call.